Well, I think it's a most unfortunate situation that we may be in this this new way of life for much longer than any of us hope. But I think it's also rewarding to be able to be part of the development of therapeutic strategies to protect patients that are inevitably going to be affected by this disease in the short and the long term. So I absolutely believe this will make Cardiol Therapeutics a focal point, because we believe protecting those with a prior history of cardiovascular disease or risk factors for cardiovascular disease is of paramount importance, because they are by far and away the most vulnerable patients to mortality or major cardiovascular complications to the extent that they become infected with this virus. And we now know the Delta variant is a far more contagious variant than the original versions of this unfortunate virus. And, we still have not got the world population vaccinated. And that's going to be an ongoing challenge. So we're going to need a dual strategy. Obviously, vaccines are an amazing advance in this area, but herd immunity to get there could take a 90% inoculation rate. And I think we're struggling to get over 65 or 70% in most regions of the world. In some regions of the world, over 50% has become a struggle. And other areas don't even have access to the vaccine yet.
Which means that your trial, your clinical results in sometime in early mid 2022 couldn't come fast enough. David. So that's the timeline. Appreciate that part. The other element is money. Now, you did close a pretty significant financing, $22 million bought deal. And up until then, I think you'd also raised another $27 million from the exercise of warrants and equity raises in the year before. Do you have enough cash to take you through to where you need to go?
We're in a very strong cash position right now. That's why we chose to migrate to the NASDAQ without doing a commensurate financing with that effort. Many companies that list firstly on the NASDAQ, they would do a financing in connection with that. We were fortunate to have been opportunistic on the financing front. We raised $22 million at a very efficient rate, which has put the company in a very strong financial position to uplist on the NASDAQ and execute on our programs. We're very comfortable with our financial position currently. We believe the NASDAQ offers an opportunity for Cardiol to ultimately be discovered by the largest life sciences community of the world, which will ultimately lead to a revaluation of this company, we believe, and an ever decreasing cost of capital going forward, and put us in a strong position for future negotiations with partners as we advance these important medicines.
Hey guys, this video is over, but don't forget to help your company by liking it and even leaving a comment below. And then don't forget to help yourself by subscribing to our channel and never missing another great Agoracom Small Cap video.